Hello friends, today we are going to learn about content children, right? So for that you need to know first view children. So because it is similar to view children, you need to know what is view children, right? To compare and uh, understand. Plus you need to understand content projection. For that you can go to my channel where you can basically go to YouTube and search NG content Haridutta, and you will find this channel, right? You can click on this, you can see the videos as well. And if you see, yeah, so you need to know NG content to know how content projection works. Then view children, because you need to know difference. What is the difference between view child and view children, right? Then you will be better understanding what is the difference between content child and content children, right? So same difference. I mean, whatever difference is between view child and view children, same difference between content child and content children. Okay, let's go and start coding. So we are using the same application. Okay, so there is one card, and we are doing content projection, right? So this is the child component. We are doing content projection. We are projecting these elements in the card component. You see, here we have the ng content, which is projecting the content, right? So, and now what we are doing, so previously there was one header id, and it was basically, so when we use content child, it used to get this element. I refresh this. Yeah. So this is the one element h4. So basically so the problem is here now we have multiple headers, right? We have multiple headers. But when we do content child, it is giving only first element, right? So what we need to do is we want all the reference, right? All the element reference of header. So in that case, we will have to go and change this to ng children or content children. And if I save this, it refreshes, and you can see query list. This is query list of length 3. Right? So now it is querying all the headers, all these headers. Okay? So similarly, this is an example. You can use, suppose there is another child, right, inside this, which is used multiple times. So when you use content children, it will fetch all the list of the child components, and you can query whichever you want to. Okay? So this is basically the how content children works. I mean, if you go and understand view child and view children, you will better understand, and it will be very easy to comprehend what basically content children means. So that's all for now. See you in the next video. Thank you.